Hello friends, our grammar tutorials. Today we have seen how to form the present continuous, how to distribute the present continuous according to the 6 subjects, that is 6 noun phrases, NBs, I, you, he, she, it, then that third person singular, and we, you and they. Third person singular stands for all the created things in this world. So that means all the created things in the world other than I, you, we, you call third person singular, and if they are plural, you call them third person plural. Listen, for example, you say tree, third person singular, but trees, third person plural. I think that's clear. Then we saw how to make negative, then yes or no question, and the WH question. These things we have already seen, transformation, etc. Now, the last but one point about this tense is use. Use is very simple. This is the simplest tense, and that is anything that happens at the time of speaking. We have also seen passive. So, anything that, for example, it is raining. It is raining. What is understood is now. So when you use the present continuous tense or present progressive tense, so a time indicator is present, is understood, and that is now. I am talking now. They are playing now. They are speaking now. You are attending now. She is reading now. So at the time of speaking. Action taking place at the time of speaking. That is present continuous. Very simple. So you can make thousands of sentences like this. The sun is shining, the moon is shining, it is raining, wind is blowing, they are playing, teachers are teaching, then what else you want to say? He is washing, they are playing, they are singing, they are drinking, we are talking, we are enjoying. Everything means now. A second use of this is also very important. For example, a sentence like this: he is leaving for America tomorrow. So here you can see he is leaving. This present continuous, but used in the future sense. But of course there should be a time indicator here. And also the sense is a different one because there is some deliberate planning. Intention is there. It is raining, you cannot say it is used to the future sense. No. But if you say they are planning to go for a picnic, that means tomorrow. Or even without, that's understood. No, even without tomorrow, it's understood. They are planning future. Understand? They are arranging a meeting tomorrow or on Monday. They are arranging a meeting. She is planning to conduct a debate. Understand? So that with the future sense, future sense, not future tense, future sense. So there are two main points, two main usages of the simple present continuous. One is action taking place at the time of speaking, simultaneously. I am writing, I am walking, I am jumping, I am running, I am smiling, I am laughing. You understand? I am holding my pen now. That's understood. But I am kicking like this. kicking mode. You cannot see me, yes, but I am kicking. Understand? Another is the future sense. But then there should be, it's always better to avoid confusion. You use a time indicator like tomorrow, next month, next year. So we are planning to organize a course next year. We are thinking of playing cricket with New Zealand next year. Understand? We are thinking of, but it is for the future purpose. In that case, what happens is there should be a deliberate intention or planning. There should be planning or intention. Deliberate intention or deliberate planning. It's a very important and the simplest of all the English tenses. Is it the simplest? Because it means now, that's all. And of course, certain conditions, for example, if you have got this planning or intention to do something, then you can say, I'm going to do it in future. That's it. So clear to you? Yes? Yes. So if you say, he is, or I am, yes, I am thinking of going to the moon to find out where the orbiter is. The future. Isn't it? Something like that you can say. So in that case, what happens is there is a definite intention. There is a planning. Only then, if we just say that like this, I am reading, that is not future. He is playing, that is not future. But he is intending to tell a story. He is intending to tell a story tomorrow. That means the teacher is intending to test your knowledge of English next week. He is intending, but the result is what comes after that. It's not like that I am reading. I think that is very clear to you. The uses of the present continuous tense. You know everything about present continuous. You know how to form, how to distribute, how to make the say NB basic sentence, NB1, VP, NB2, negatives, yes or no question, WH question, passive, and now the usage. Understand? Just one more point and then we will do it. Next class, till then, bye. Have a nice time. Hope that you are following. Read it. Go through this as a package. Take it as a package. If you have started studying present continuous tense and my lectures, then from lecture 1 on you should concentrate up to the one that we are going to do, say tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And that will be what do you call a chunk, or you can say a unit. Listen. Don't say in between just how to make yes or no question, how to make WH question. No. The whole thing. And then you will become master, and this will be the pattern that will be following in all the other tenses also. You will see how to form, how to distribute, how to make negative, how to make yes or no question, how to make WH question, how to make the passive, and then uses. So whenever you start learn an English tense, you should go through all these 7 areas. Then you will become master of English tenses, and then you will become master of English. Speaking English, writing English, correct writing, right writing, right speaking, everything. So okay, see you again with the next point. Until then, bye, have a nice day.